kind of associated with IFA for a long time now, and I hosted the last 2 years. This year I'm performing. So IFA feels like home. You know, I feel very, very happy whenever I'm doing something with IFA because the entire Wizcraft team is almost like family now, and I'm very excited because I'm performing at IFA, I think after 3 or 4 years.
Yeah.
So that's something different. In fact, I remember last year I was standing and I was watching some of the performances, and I was just standing there and I was telling my my team that was me. I was like, I'm really loving hosting, but I'm missing dancing on stage, and I haven't done that at IFA for a few years. So I'm so happy that we could work it out this year. Not too much about it, but we're doing like a fresh take at Auna and Bismil. We're not doing a heatherized version of it. We're doing a off take.
Oh, okay.
Like a different take on it. So I'm quite excited about that because it's pretty aggressive and it's pretty in your face and it's strong and it's not slow and laid back like the film, but it's pretty aggressive. So I want to see how people react to that.
The weekend is on what? The 5th, 6th and the 7th?
Yes.
So you're going to be there for that. And then you're flying for your wedding. Congratulations first.
First of all,
are you getting...
everybody's telling me about my wedding more than I have told anybody about it. A lot of assumptions and a lot of things being said. At the right time, I'll make the right announcements. When I was asked about it, I was straightforward and I said, yes, it's going on. And then after that, like everybody's assuming stuff. So please do not assume. As in when the time comes, we will let you know about developments, just as we do about the movies. We'll tell you about our life as well. But wait for it this time.
It was a great year. I mean, we also two stages also for the running.
Yes,
It's
nominated for a lot of awards. Yes.
What are you expecting?
I hope it wins in most categories. I mean, deservingly so. I feel it was a film that was technically on par with the best that came out last year.
I mean, you and Ranveer, generally, when the two of you are together, you don't need a script. Are you guys going to go by a script, or is it just going to be you and Ranveer, some other people who are going to have it so bad?
अगर आज हम सब बता देंगे तो शायद हम जा नहीं पाएंगे. That's why I'm saying just wait and watch what we're going to do because we're still figuring in which direction to go. But it'll definitely be exciting for people to watch. I assure you. I'm very, very nervous and excited at the same time.
And there's Arjun and Ranveer.
Yes.
Ranveer has done a film with you. Arjun, of course, related to you. And they are the anchors, and they can be rats.
Yeah.
So what are you expecting? Are you expecting to be roasted?
You see, the thing is, I don't know. I think somewhere they're a little scared this time. So they're worried we might roast them. Seriously. To that, matter of fact, I went to Delhi for one of the events, and these AB boys were also there over there. So some dare anchor. I'm like, come on, what happened to your humor? Why are you, So I know all the cases and all the FR has a stress then.
So if you guys have seen the dub smashes lately, this is the queen of dub smash. She's a dub smash hit on the net.
Is that what you want to talk about?
Of course. How did you get Salman to do that?
It's not very difficult, actually. I mean, he was around, he was in a good mood, so I said, okay, that's good. And he actually said he saw my Chenu one and he saw the other one and he really liked it. So I said, oh my God, we should do one. And he's like, I want to do the Chenu one because he loves imitating my dad. Even when my dad is around, even when, just to tease me, he'll always imitate my dad.
Competition, whom do you think is your favorite film?
My favorite film, definitely hands down Queen. I think it's everybody's favorite film last year. It was just such a feel-good film with great performances, and Kangana was phenomenal in it. So yeah, that is definitely my favorite film of last year. I am performing, yes. I'm really looking forward to it, and this time it's going to be a performance with a twist, so you should watch out for that.